we need is one of these that looks like one of these.
Start by making it lighter. Not that lighter, that lighter.
I know. Give it fewer parts.
And make it lighter.
Have the line activate the ratchet. No, the other line.
We can do that.
Call in more engineers.
We already did that.
Make it easy to tell in from out. No mistakes on the racecourse.
We can do that.
Make it a loop. No, make it a lash. More options. Short, close to the deck. Long, for a fair lead. Or splice it for any length. Do exhaustive testing. Do more testing. The new T2 soft attach Ratchet-matic from Harken. We can do that.